Hello, this is a very exciting day, and it's a very exciting day because I have a box of books, and I happen to know that unboxing videos are a thing here on YouTube, so I thought I would unbox my books with you. The reason I'm so excited about what's in this box is it's a book I have written, or I should say co-written, with my co-author Professor Richard Phillips from the University of Sheffield. And we also have 14 short creative contributions, but I'll tell you about them in a minute. This is possibly the book I love most of all of the books I've written. It's a book I got paid to work on, and that's a first. But really it's the subject that's very close to my heart. So let me have a look. I've heard from other people that the production is beautiful. Oh, I can't get my knife through this tape. And I can't wait to see it for myself. I know I love the cover, and people have been posting photos of it on social media, and I've been very frustrated because they've all had their copies and I haven't had mine. I thought this would be easier than it actually is. So I hope you're finding this very entertaining, watching me trying to get into this box and not stab myself in the process. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. Right, now. This book is called Creative Writing for Social Research. And that's why I'm so excited, because those are two of my favourite subjects in the world brought together in one book. Look at that. Look at that. It is such a special moment for any author when you first hold your new book in your hands. Let me now just see how gorgeous this is. So, as I was saying, we have contributions from other authors. Here's one from Giulia Molinari, and each contribution has its own inspiration doll created by Alka Groppel-Wegener from Staffordshire University, and it is just an absolutely beautiful production. I'm so pleased with this. You see, I have a background in writing fiction. I don't talk about this much, but I sold some stories to magazines. I got into Room 204 of Writing West Midlands, which is an application-only writer development programme. And then these kinds of books kind of took off, and I don't really write fiction now, but it's an absolute delight to bring my love of creative writing together with my love of social research. And it's been absolutely wonderful working with Richard and with all of our contributors. We began with a workshop in November 2018, I think, or was it 2019? Must have been, anyway, a workshop where we all got together and talked about creative writing for social research and had a go at doing it and so on and so forth. And it's just lovely to see that work. We agreed at that workshop that we would work towards doing this book, and it's just so lovely to see it actually in the real pages and ink. So we're having a launch on Twitter today, the 28th of January, between 9 and 5 GMT. We're using a hashtag for that, Creative ACRI. If you would like to come and join us on Twitter, you'd be very welcome. And thank you for watching my unboxing video.